Building ServiceNow Automated Test Framework tests by hand takes hours. Step by step, click by click, screenshot by screenshot. This is the ATF generator, and it's about to do the whole thing in minutes. One demo click, and a complete UAT plan is in place. Preconditions, a negative case, a happy path, an edge case, and cleanup. That plan is the only input. Generate. It's now writing a full test suite from that plan against a live instance with its real tables and real fields. Not pseudo steps, actual ATF test steps. While it works, think about what this replaces. A known error rule like this one needs a negative test, a happy path, an edge case, screenshots for evidence, and impersonation with the right roles. Setting that up in the test designer is an afternoon. You also choose how much scrutiny the suite gets. A single pass like this one, or multi-pass modes where a second review consolidates the result before you ever see it. A proper suite takes 3 to 5 minutes to write. It stays honest. You can watch the elapsed time tick. Grab a coffee. The designer clicking version of this would still be on step 2. And when it lands, you don't get a wall of code. You get a reviewable list of steps and a deploy button. Here it comes. There it is. 14 steps. Set up records. The known error article, screenshots at every checkpoint. The negative case, the happy path, edge cases, a roll check, and a summary. One click deploys the suite to ServiceNow. It ships with a one-time setup script. Run it once on the instance, and the test is installed as a real ATF record. And here it is on the instance. One test, 14 steps, active, ready to run. This is not an export. It's the genuine article in your automated test framework. Now the proof. Run test. The server-side steps pass in about 1 second. The UI steps need a browser, so the run waits for ServiceNow's client test runner to pick them up. While it waits, notice what you never did. You never created a test, never added a step, never configured a screenshot. One UAT plan did all of it. The run is queued and polling. The moment a runner browser joins, the UI batch will execute on its own. There's the client test runner. Watch it work the incident form for real, opening the record, validating field values, and capturing a screenshot at every step. That's an evidence trail, not a promise. Step 2. Field validation after the blocked resolve attempt. Every result is reported straight back to the test record. The run comes back. Failure at the happy path. And here's the thing. That's the win. Read the root cause. The business rule blocks resolution even when a knowledge article is linked. The suite just caught a real defect on its very first run. A UAT plan in. A running 14-step suite out. Minutes, not hours. Links in the description.